Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin immediately by locking proportions. Place a center line and horizon to anchor perspective, then measure overall length with quick box shapes. Use a light HB for construction so you can erase easily later. Once the box is set, mark wheel centers and axle line, then sketch the roof line and windshield angle as single confident strokes. Make sure to compare distances, hood-to-cabin ratio, rear overhang, and adjust until the silhouette reads right before adding detail. Once the silhouette is accurate, start carving the body with panel lines and volumes. Draw the belt line, side intakes, and door seams with slightly darker strokes so you can see intersections. Use the ruler for straight creases and freehand subtle curves for organic surfaces. For the front, lay in headlight cutouts and bumper planes. For wheels, block the rim width and spoke pattern before adding shading. Make sure to step back frequently to check symmetry and proportion as you increase detail density. You finish by cleaning up. Gently erase remaining construction lines and reinforce the final edges with 2B for contrast. Add shading to indicate curvature. Use softer strokes for gradual planes and harder edges for creases. Place bright highlights on the roof and glass, and drop a consistent shadow on the ground to anchor the car. If proportions feel off, revisit the centerline and wheel contact points to fix skew. Making small corrections early prevents heavy rework and preserves crisp reflections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.